In this video, pag-uusapan natin ano nga ba ang RA 4200 o ang Republic Act number 4200 or Anti-Wiretapping Law of the Philippines. Ang Anti-Wiretapping Law of the Philippines, it is a law that prohibits and penalizes unauthorized interception and recording of private communications. So, para kanino naman ina-apply ang law na ito? Para to doon sa mga general public, peace officer, or law enforcement, public officials, and alien. Either spy. Yun nga, spy. So, ano nga ba ang use ng RA 4200? The primary use of RA 4200 is to protect the privacy of oral and wire communications. Sakop ng law na to ang mga sumusunod: prohibiting unauthorized act, penalizing related actions, establishing rules for admissive evidence, and allowing limited court unauthorized surveillance. So, ang isang example ng case na to ay yung nangyari sa case nila Chavez versus Gonzales noong February 15, 2008. So, in Chavez versus Gonzales, the Philippine Supreme Court tackled a landmark free speech issues involving threats by government officials against the media. The petitioner Francisco Chavez challenged press warning issued by Department of Justice, DOJ, and National Telecommunication Commission or NTC, which cautioned broadcasters not to air alleged wiretap conversations involving President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo and a Comelec official. He argued these warnings violated freedom of expression and the public rights to information. In a decision panned by Chief Justice Puno, the court granted the petition, holding that the injunctions constituted an unconstitutional prior restraint on the press. So, yan yung brief introduction sa case ni Chavez versus Gonzales. So, pag-usapan naman natin kung ano ba tong case na to. This is the First Amendment Free-Speech and Press case in which Supreme Court reviewed government warnings that effectively told broadcasters and reporters not to air or distribute an alleged wiretap videotapes, the so-called Garci tapes, allegedly involving President Gloria Arroyo. The petition challenged state and actions by one, the Secretary